In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved items in Facebook Marketplace. If you've previously saved listings while browsing Marketplace and want to find them again, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is useful if you were comparing items, waiting to make a decision, or just wanted to come back to a listing later without searching for it all over again. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you're using the account where you originally saved the marketplace items, since saved listings are connected to your personal profile. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section where you can browse items, search for products, and manage your marketplace activity. Once Marketplace opens, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens the account and marketplace related options tied to your profile. From there, look for the option labeled Saved or Saved Items and select it. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version of Facebook, but it will usually be clearly listed in that menu. After you click Saved, you'll be taken to the area where your saved marketplace listings are stored. Here you can scroll through the items you've saved and revisit anything that caught your attention earlier. This is especially helpful if you've been browsing multiple listings and want a quick way to compare them without starting from scratch. To see more details about any listing, simply click on the saved item you want to open. That will bring up the full listing page where you can review the photos, pricing, description, seller information, and any other available details. From there, you can decide whether you want to contact the seller, keep the item saved for later, or continue exploring other listings. If you don't immediately see the item you expected, it may have been removed by the seller or marked as sold, so keep that in mind while checking